In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to draw a 3/4 anime head in 4 simple steps. So let's start the video. Start by drawing a simple circle and then start drawing a small curve at the center of the circle. Now from the top of the head, start drawing another curve. Now these two curves will intersect at a point, and this will give you the direction of the face, like in which direction the character is looking, and it will also give you the direction of the nose of the character. Now start drawing 2 straight lines and make sure that these straight lines are at least 2/3 of the circle. Now this will give us the side of the face. The side of the human head is flat. Draw an oval or ellipse shape using those 2 lines as guidelines. Now divide the ellipse into 4 different quadrants. These 2 guidelines will help you understand in which direction your character is looking or facing. And in this art, the character is looking to his right. You can draw more curves to better understand if the character is looking downwards or upwards. If the character is looking upwards, then draw curves above. And if the character is looking downwards, then draw curves below. This will give you the direction of the face again. Another important thing is the width of this ellipse is the amount of the turn, like how much the character is turning, and the height of this ellipse is 2/3. And while drawing a 3/4 face, remember that these 2 lines must be parallel to each other, and if these 2 lines are not parallel, then the finished artwork might look a little off. So if you see any mistakes there, then just fix it and try to make sure that these 2 are parallel. Now draw guidelines at the top and bottom of this ellipse, and now start drawing a curve at the top. Now this will serve as a hairline curve. Now do the same thing with the bottom. Try to draw another curve at the bottom of the ellipse, and this will serve as a nose. And make sure that these 3 lines are parallel as well. And then draw the chin at the bottom, and that is where, and this is the point where we connect the jawline. And make sure that these 3 are 1/3 size of the circle. And the chin could be a bit longer depending on what character you're drawing. So far, these are some of the rules that you need to follow to get a proper 3/4 head. So based on these guidelines, now you can easily draw the jawline and then just connect it to the side of the face, other features of the face as well. So when you're drawing the jawline, just remember it follows a simple shape. Just straight lines, connect to the chin, and then just extend it all the way towards the side of the ellipse and connect it there. So the shape of the jaw will decide how your character looks. Like if you're drawing an anime lead, then the character will have a sharper jawline, right? But if you're drawing some friend or other side character, then he may not have a sharper jawline. So how you draw the jawline will shape your character, and it follows the same structure. You draw a straight line, and then you connect to the chin, and then you finally extend it and attach it to the side of the face. And that's basically how you draw the 3/4 view of the face. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and check out this video if you want to learn more.